Hi, today I'm going to be trying Seacret's Mineral Rich Peeling Gel. It is an exfoliant for your face. As you probably know, exfoliating is super important. I use an exfoliant a couple times a week on my face. It's nothing special, I just got it from the drugstore. But this product is more natural. It is made using only minerals and no chemicals. I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger here. It's a clear gel. And then just rub it on. Wow. The skin is just coming off my face. And the other side. It spreads on really thin, and it's not a chemical peel, so it doesn't burn or tingle at all. You don't feel anything, but just all this skin is just coming off. I exfoliate a couple times a week and still there's all this that is just sitting there. I just can't believe how much there is. So I just got all of it off and my skin feels so soft, literally new. It is not irritated or red at all. I literally just shed a couple layers of skin. I only used a couple pumps of this, so it'll last a really long time, and again, it's completely natural. There's no chemicals. It's all Dead Sea minerals from Seacret.